Hi everybody, it's Barb Del Judas with the Baby and Beanie channel. Um, Baby this is my new place. I haven't done hardly anything, and Beanie's over here. Baby passed away this morning in the early AM. The move was way too much for him, and I've been spending the day crying off and on. Poor Beanie is still looking for Baby. There he is. Poor Beanie. I just wanted to let you know, and I have a video a few days ago. Baby was having seizures. Yeah, I know he's calling him. He's been doing this all day. I brought his little body up to the pet cemetery, Petland Inc. And you see I put some toys up there for Beanie. Anyway, I'm having him cremated, and I'm gonna get his remains. You wouldn't understand until I had Baby for 22 years, and he was like a child to me, and I don't have any human children, so I know I keep telling Beanie, Baby went to heaven. I feel like, oh, I was going to say it's my fault he died, but no, he was old. He always had health problems. And I know Beanie. Yeah, I know. He's talking, he's calling him. A couple days ago, Baby fell off his perch in the middle of the night twice. Something scared him. We heard something in the wall. Back here, it ran across that way, and then over here, somewhere in the closet. And it woke them up, and Baby fell off, probably because he was exhausted from moving, and probably didn't eat and drink enough water for a couple weeks before, because I was doing the garage sales. And Baby already had health problems. He did. And then when he fell off the perch a couple nights ago, he started to have seizures. He fell off twice. He would fall on his back and get stuck under a perch. And I feel like I could have made the cage safer. I noticed he had hit his head. It was a little bloody, but I've been a mess. I've been exhausted, and hadn't been thinking right. You know, we do the best we can. We're not perfect. And I must be doing something right if I got this beautiful bird here and he's 16 years old. But anyway, I think I'll let you go now. I'm trying not to cry, and it's really hard losing a little pet. It doesn't matter what size they are. It's their heart and their personality. It's just as big. So, thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe to my channel. I'd like to help more birds if I could. And please join my Patreon. I don't know if I have a link for it. I'll try to remember. Thank you. We love all of you that love birds.